So through this orange line, aren't you just creating a new ideal woman, one who strives for power and doesn't clean her house, doesn't volunteer anymore, isn't the, is the perfect all-round housewife?
Right. Well, let's just be emphatic that we did not want to create a new set of rules. We did not want to create a new ideal. I mean, we're not even ideal, right? You look at us, we're struggling with this every single day. And all in our own different ways. So no, we did not want to create a new ideal woman. What we wanted to do was create a new philosophy that women could grab onto. And that philosophy is, I'm important and I'm allowed to pursue my métier. And that's a good thing. It's not a bad, selfish, self-absorbed thing. It's a fact. It's something that we're allowed and entitled to do. So once you sort of set that stage that, it's okay. I really am allowed to do this, and I am important. I do have a voice at the table. Then how I choose to do that is up to me. Now I can be flexible. Now I can go figure it out for myself. Do you know what I'm saying? I can go figure that out for myself.